Okay, this is a video for Section H, the multi-beam flashlight. This will be quick and dirty. Like I said, there's really nothing too fancy about it. You know, it's just this flashlight, so these hooks are almost useless. But, you know, each button here, you know, controls a different light. So, you know, you can kind of see that. That's the bigger the, you know, these little bumps here, the bigger the bump, the wider the beam angle. So, you know, it goes from large to very small, as you can see here, and then there's a red one for the red LED, and supposed to be a purple one for the violet, you know, ultraviolet LEDs. But like I said, start with the widest, that's 110 degree LEDs. Let me actually turn the lights down a little bit here. You know, it's kind of 110 degree LEDs. So, you know, you can kind of see that, you know, it's a pretty broad angle. And that's good for, like I said, you know, lighting a up close and personal area widely. So, and I'll go to the next most narrow, because this first one was 110 degree LEDs. This is 55 degree. So, again, you can see the difference, you know, and how it casts on the wall and so forth. So, you know, versus 110, you know, those are the 55s, which are much more concentrated. Now we're down to the, I think, 25s. So that's much more concentrated still. And then, you know, this is the 15s. So, and that's the red. That's good for nighttime mode if you're into astronomy and stuff, because red light actually doesn't spoil your night vision as much as any other color, and that's why it doesn't dilate your pupils quite like other frequencies of light do, and that's ultraviolet. So, you know, you can kind of see the, you know, ultraviolet LEDs doing their thing there versus the red, which is quite wide angle, and versus the 15 degrees, which are kind of all over the place, versus a 25 degree, versus a 55 degree, you know, versus 110s. And of course, the nice thing is that if you need to, you can light them all up at the same time. So, you know, you get all four beam angles on at once, which makes even a brighter light, you know, if you need that extra punch. You know, as you can see there, I can even turn the reds and the UVs on if you want, which actually does make a difference, particularly with the reds on. So, anyway, but that's just the basic little multi-beam flashlight. So, but again, it's really the button system in it that's the most valuable part of the patent. You know, the idea of having a variable button and the possibilities of having it interplay with these various types of LEDs. So, anyway, the point is that, you know, I hope you find that informative.